Hey, how's it going? So I made a bunch of videos that I tried to put together, and then I had a lot of problems uploading them. So I just basically decided to keep the best one of of that group, where I put in hair extensions and show you kind of like the before and after. But the earlier videos that was part of that I added on was a TikTok video where I showed how I sewed the hair extensions together, and another intro. But for whatever reason, the file was too big, and I've tried so many times. A lot of times I'm not posting a lot on here because I have some technical problems behind the scenes. So anyway, so just as the intro. So basically what it is in my last TikTok shop haul video where I talked about where I bought some blonde hair extensions. They're a little light. Then I bought some ones that were with highlights, which I thought would match my hair, but they were too brown. Like the brown part was too dark and the highlight was too light. So I found, and all the redhead shades, hair pieces, hair extensions were sold out on TikTok, but I did find them on Amazon. So what I did was I got them and the same amount of hair and everything, but they came with their own clips. The blondes come with their own clips, and the redhead came with their own clips. But what I had to do was take the clips off of those strips and sew them onto this one, onto all the blonde ones, so that it matched my hair. Simple, basic, that's it. Of course, a lot of times I go on and on and on when I'm talking, and maybe the file was just too much. It was just too much. So anyway, like, if you enjoy so stay tuned, keep watching. As always, if you like my videos, hit thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so enjoy the hair extension. That one I filmed last night, and see the before and after. And don't forget to let me know, what if you like the regular me, my hair regular length, or with the longer extensions. I think they came out really really great once I got them on. And I took some photos last night after I made the video you're going to watch, and really cute videos that I'm going to make and compile to make a short that I'll post here, and a few other things for for the future. Also, I've actually hired someone to help me with a lot of other technical things for like setting up my Patreon and other things. So that's still in the works. It's just been a lot going on behind the scenes. I spent 4.5 hours today just trying to get this video together, and it still didn't happen. So that's why I'm having to redo the intro and basically forget all that other content that was before. So when the video you're about to watch starts, when I say this is the finished product, it's because I had a whole video where I was showing how I sewed all these together. But anyway, maybe some people might be into it, maybe not, I don't know. But anyway, you'll see, how I put them in and how they look. And each set was only around $7.99, $8.99, very affordable. Some you can buy a lot of human hair it's very expensive, but I'm gonna just save that one set that didn't really match in case I go back to that hair color again or something, or give it to a friend, whatever. But it's for a lot of pieces, they're all pretty good value, and you can find them on a lot of websites. So anyway, enjoy the video, and stay tuned for more content. Okay, take care. Bye. Hey, so I have the finished products right here. One is a strip that has 4 clips on it. You can see they come pre-curled, so that helps. So there's the darker red that I sewed onto the blonde. Okay, so there's one with the 4 clips. So I'm gonna section my hair from the bottom, from the back, bottom first. Kind of come around. helps that I already, you know, like styled my hair. That's a little too high. Okay. So do that. And I'm going to clip this out of the way. It helps that you tease the very back part, the root of the where you're going to clip the piece in. It gives it a little bit of something to grab onto. Okay, so don't forget to unsnap all the clips. And then you kind of push the comb of the clip into where you tease. Okay. Okay. Now, you don't do it the very next section. You drop a little of the back, like halfway, like there. Whoop. I'm gonna do some of the sides too. Okay, like that much. Clip this back up. Oop, I need a little more back here. You don't want to end up with that Britney look where you have, it's not attached to anything. Okay. Take a little more back here. Down. Okay, here's a section, teasing it. Another section, teasing it. Another section, teasing it. Okay. All right, so now, taking this one has 3, same kind of thing. Unsnap the clips. Bring it around. Attach. Attach the clip. Snap into where it tease. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. It's like a perfect match, okay? You almost, I mean, if you didn't know, you just kind of blend it in a little bit. Okay. Now this comes down. I have 2 for each side. Now I have a lot of hair, so I can do 1 on each side here. Okay, so same thing here. I'm gonna tease. You go underneath. Tease, tease, tease. You're just like kind of roughing up the inner underneath section just to give yourself a cushion. 1, 2, 3. And these only have 2, okay? So let me just push in, snap. Oh, that one right down, snap. There we go. Okay. It's transforming. It really is. It's transforming. Once you see yourself, when you, especially me, I'm so sick of growing, of taking so long for my hair to grow. Oh, there we go. So now that looks like it's just part of my hairstyle. Kind of get that there. I just kind of tuck that in under here, the shorter places. And see, we just leave this. So that just looks like it's a layer. And it's pretty cute. Pretty cute. I love the fact that you can see these different pieces, these blonde pieces and darker pieces, because that's pretty much like how this is up here. Or it's actually a little bolder down here, which is I actually kind of like from that other piece. So it's fun, you know, it's fun. I like it. I like it a lot. And it's especially I've been waiting. My hair used to grow so quickly, like in the summer. Like if I had a shorter haircut, like I'd go back to school in the fall. Like if I had the shorter haircut, like say in the spring of a school year, and then the summer I'd let it grow out, and I go back to school, my hair would be down to here. So then like the next year, your hair's like down to here. And that's like when you're younger, you know, at least for girls, it's so easy to grow your hair out. But when, you know, it's one thing when you're coloring it a lot, you've got a lot of highlights, you do things that you're, you know, and older, it's not the same. So, you know, I feel like, you know, I've always liked my hair, like to be right boob length. And, you know, pretty fun. It's pretty fun. It gives me a totally different look. Now, I plan, I had bought, like I said, I bought some ones that were the kind of the wrong color, and I kind of did a photo shoot, just like a, kind of like a trial kind of photo shoot to see what I look like with a bathing suit with those pieces in, except they didn't match all that well. But these really match well, and I actually have someone who I'm hiring to help me with my set up my Patreon and some other things. So you know, I'll be making some new content. I'll be making some new content to post for that place only, for you know, for not for public consumption like here, but definitely for there. So I think, you know, this kind of works with like that, you know, bathing suit kind of look, and kind of beachy, kind of like a fun beachy kind of look. So anyway, let me know what you think. Do you like this look? Do you like it? I also have other pieces. I have pieces, wigs. I was gonna do a whole video of like me with all my different color wigs, and had that. I thought that'd be fun for you guys, and so you can enjoy that too. But I'm also going to take some pictures tonight while I have this in here, and I might make a short video that would be kind of fun to post in the short section too. So I always feel like when I have everything done, like when my makeup's done and my hair's done, because I have some days where I'm in pajamas. Some days I'm in pajamas, no makeup. But I wanted to have this look all together, especially for my birthday next week, and hopefully get things all together. So, for some other events. But let me know what you think, you know. And I'm sure once I get take some photos tonight and post some later as a short, I'm sure you all would like that too. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for the support always. Don't forget to share this video for friends who like beauty and style, or maybe somebody who just might need a smile. Okay? Alrighty, take care. Thank you. Bye.